The deal with SpaceX is a part of Jio's efforts to make reliable internet fully available to all businesses, small and medium enterprises, and communities in India. Following Airtel, Jio signs agreement with SpaceX for Starlink Internet in India. Jio Platforms Limited has joined hands with SpaceX to introduce Starlink Internet in India, a day after competitor Bharti Airtel signed an agreement. Mukesh Ambani-controlled Jio Platforms Limited announced on Wednesday that it signed an agreement with SpaceX to introduce Starlink's internet services in India, a day after competitor Bharti Airtel signed an agreement. This partnership, pending SpaceX obtaining its own authorizations to sell Starlink in India, allows Jio and SpaceX to explore how Starlink can expand Jio's offerings and how Jio can enhance SpaceX's direct offerings to consumers and businesses, the company stated. Jio Platforms Limited will sell Starlink solutions through its retail outlets and online channels. With this alliance, Jio's massive footprint as the largest mobile operator in the world in terms of data traffic and Starlink's low Earth orbit satellite technology leadership will be combined to offer affordable and reliable broadband connectivity throughout India, including the country's remotest and rural areas. Jio will not only sell Starlink hardware in its stores but will also have a system in place to facilitate customer service installation and activation. The deal with SpaceX is a part of Jio's efforts to make reliable internet fully available to all businesses, small and medium enterprises, and communities in India, the company added. Besides, Jio and SpaceX are also studying more partnership prospects to merge their infrastructure and fortify India's digital economy. Matthew Ummin, Group CEO at Reliance Jio, indicated, "Our partnership with SpaceX to introduce Starlink to India reinforces our commitment and represents a watershed move towards ubiquitous broadband connectivity for everyone." With the addition of Starlink to Jio's broadband ecosystem, we are broadening our reach and increasing the reliability and availability of high-speed broadband in this era of AI, empowering businesses and communities across the nation. SpaceX President and Guoin Shortwell stated, "We commend Jio's dedication to furthering India's connectivity. We look forward to collaborating with Jio and getting authorization from the Government of India to give more individuals, organizations, and businesses access to Starlink's high-speed internet services." Airtel joins hands with SpaceX. Bharti Airtel has signed an agreement with SpaceX to bring Starlink satellite internet services to India, a regulatory filing on Tuesday said. Despite this, the deal is still awaiting regulatory approvals to enable SpaceX to provide Starlink services in the nation. From this partnership, Airtel and SpaceX will seek opportunities to improve internet penetration in India. According to the deal, Airtel will be able to distribute Starlink hardware from its retail stores and offer high-speed satellite internet service to enterprises. In addition, both firms will collaborate to bring secure internet connectivity to rural schools, healthcare facilities, and far-flung communities, helping to bridge the digital divide. In addition to enhancing connectivity, the partnership will evaluate the potential for Starlink satellite technology to complement Airtel's current network while allowing SpaceX to leverage Airtel's ground infrastructure in India. This move is part of Airtel's larger strategy to bring cutting-edge connectivity solutions across the country, the company added. Airtel will extend its presence further by adding Starlink to its offerings. This is done to increase internet penetration in remote areas, and this will benefit businesses and communities by opening up new avenues for expansion and growth. If you like this analysis, like the video, subscribe, and let's talk in the comments. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, goodbye and stay safe.